Yo, hey guys. The weird thing is I just caught a baby bird. Like, serious, I caught a bird. It's in there. I don't want to take it up because it's gonna. I'm scared it's gonna pop out. Like, bro, like, why'd you do this? So I'm gonna lift it up and hopefully it doesn't do anything. Dude, you okay in there? You okay, little dude? So here it is. Isn't it adorable? It's scared. It's breathing really hard though. You okay, little dude? So I caught it because it fell out of a tree. Like, it fell out of this tree right there. And I caught it and I caught it in here. And I'm scared for it because I just told my grandpa that I caught a bird. You okay, dude? Why you're a little breathy. You're a little bouncy. I want to go find you something to eat. Okay? What do you want? We'll probably eat something. I don't know what he'll eat. Want some worms? We don't got no worms. Want you to throw up in your mouth when I eat a pickle? You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Get off me, fly. I had a pickle. And I had two pickles, so I already ate one. So I was just talking to myself outside. I'm gonna sit there. I have to open the pickle jar. Forget the napkin. Oh, I'm sorry, little birdie. Well, you got a bed now. This pickle is wobbly. I'm gonna spit right in there and have the pickle. Hopefully it lands in the correct place. Oh my gosh, this bird is cute. What kind of bird is that? Comment below if you know what kind of bird that is. Dude, what kind of bird is that? Dude, my grandpa's gonna be outside in a while. Hopefully it still survives. What are you doing, bird? There you go, little buddy. I knew this would happen one day. Like, yo, what kind of bird is that? Yo, are you okay, dude? You're breathing really hard like you're tired. I'm gonna put some water in something. Give it some water with that. It could be his bath or he's drinking home. So I'm gonna leave that there. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna be right back with the water. Alright guys, I got some water. Let's go. Hey Grandpa! Thanks. Let's go. 3 cars coming. So come on, we got the water. We got the water. We can make this guy survive. This little dude can survive his day. Are you okay in here? Are you still alive? Are you still in there? Oh, you moved a little. He moved a little. So I'm gonna sit it right here. So I put the water in there and it's not doing anything. Are you okay? Are you even hungry or anything? Ew, it poo. Did your mother poo on the chair? Okay, I'm scared for this little dude. He's like so lonely. Are you okay? Dude! Dude! What kind a bird, are you? Alright, so guys, that is all for this day. On the next video, I'm going to see what my grandpa says about the bird. So, see you guys then. Bye.